So this is the Edimax USB wireless G and B and N adapter. It says it's a high gain USB adapter. This is the box. This should be the antenna, and if we write correct, there's also a USB lead in there to make sure that you can extend it. See? It's easy or difficult to open it. Nice. Side. Wow, that looks quite nice. You have to take out the antenna. So this is it. And USB port. This is a nice cup cover. Okay, and this is brilliant. So you can plug it in sideways and then turn around. This is one stand, but if you have to plug it in this way, then you can turn it up and down. Okay, see what's in the box. What else? We got the, of course, seems to be the manual at the back. So there's the manual. Then you get some free antivirus software and 2 GB online backup. Here's the DVD, and you get also a USB lead which can be plugged into the antenna if you want to plug it in right. No, that's the correct way. Yes, it is. So this can be extended and then adjust to all the needs. Looks quite well. On this side as well. There's a LED on the side. That's pretty much it.